I rescued a lot of birds today. Like 30. Some of the birds. Here's some. Angry. I don't know what these guys are doing. They're on top of a fence. I got cutesy. Yelly. They yell if you run. They're like very mean. There's one. And I run. Oh, he's gone. I found him, guys. He's right here. I think he was hiding. I'm going to go find the other ones. I found them. Wait, what? I'm not joking. These guys are gone. I found him. One more. Can't find him.